Hi, welcome to a quick Canva tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to curve a text on Canva. It's very simple. Just let's create a new design. Let's say we are preparing an Instagram post, and then let's change the background color, anything very light, just like this one maybe, or more lighter version of this color. Alright, and then let's add the text that we want to make it curved. Okay, line goes here. Fine. Now all we need to do, simply change the color to white. It looks great. Now select the text, then click on effect, and over here, as you can see in the left side, we have option curve. Now click this one. Under the curve, it says that the text is 55% is curved. We can increase the number over here up to 100, and let's select and then increase the space. Boom. So this is how you can carve the text on Canva. And well, if you want to change this curvature or curving the text in different direction, you can also do that. All you can do, simply do just like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.